Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly, you can see, friends, in this video we are providing the most trending and classical designs of Croatia gloves designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique Crochet gloves designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. Unique handmade designs, beautiful textures, patterns, elegant appearance, personalized style reflect individual taste. One suitable color weather, comfortable, breathable, soft, and durability, long-lasting resistance to wear, easy care machines, washable, dryable, suitable for various activities, confidence booster, unique handmade designs. Self-experience reflects personal stylizations, gleaming, smoothing textures, connections, handmade, sentimental value, proud of ownership, quality, handmade goals. Gleaming, smoothing textures, handmade, sentimental value, pride of ownership, quality, handmade goals, natural fiber, breathable, regulations of hand temperature to improve circulation, compressions free designs, reduce hand fascicles with positive magnets for Croatia, promote accessions, thickness full gloves, maintenance, work palms, arm worms, single crochet, half crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, double crochet, cotton, wool, bamboo, silk, hand size, shape, personal style preference, buckets, Korean seasons, climate, colorful, spaded patterns, natural inspired texture designs, customization, personalization, fit designs, cost effective, affordable materials, creating experience, personal style, accessions, gleaming, smoothing, Croatia process. Pride of ownership, handmade creations. Would you like to explore Spanish Croatia gloves, designs, or benefits of your needs? So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration ideas and designing ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your hand for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decorations, designs and ideas. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you just be connected with my friends and remember in your prayers. So like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. See you soon viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update.